Chesterton Windmill is a 17th century cylindrical stone tower windmill with an arch base located outside the village of Chesterton in Warwickshire. It is a Grade 1 listed building and a striking landmark in the southeast of Warwickshire. You will see that today the 4 sails that would have been there have been removed for restoration work. The sails had a 60-foot span and carry 450 square feet of canvas. So the mill is over 400 years old. It's outstanding really to think that it's still pretty much complete. The windmill stands proudly on top of the hill, looking down over the village of Chesterton near the Fosse Way. There's lay-by parking for roughly about 10 cars, and then it's a short walk, which takes about 10 to 15 minutes. The walk is over grassland with a slight incline, but it's well worth it when you get up there and you can see the surrounding views.